Hey guys, what is up? I want to get this on film, so I have it in gear. That's moving great. That's moving. Okay. Come over here. This worries me a little bit because I got nothing and the back one's moving. This ain't moving at all. Okay. I'm not quite understanding that. Then I come back here and listen to this thumping. I think this rear gearbox is fucked. Look. Hear it? Let me get steady here. It's jerking too. Now there's fluid in it. I put another thing in it. That can't be good. Is that gearbox fucking blown out or what? Everything else is working. The shaft to come back to here is working. Turning everything. That shouldn't be making any noise. Let me see if I can get it without. See how it's moving after this clunk, clunk, clunk. I think the rear end's blown out. Probably from all the fucking weight. It has to be. I don't think that has anything to do why it won't. Well, that's why the all-wheel drive won't re-engage. You can see it's disengaged. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah. Alright, we're gonna put her. Oh geez, it locked me out. Thank God I unopened it. Alright. Because it's in gear. Alright. What about reverse? What's reverse do? Dude, it's still knocking. Still knocking. Does this work? In reverse, it's trying to turn. Huh. I don't understand. Would that be the transmission? So weird. It wants to turn. I don't understand. If you guys can help me at all. There's my rear gearbox blown out. What's the deal? If so, any feedback would be great. Alright, we're gonna shut this down. Oh, jeez. Do I keep driving it? Do I have to replace something? Help me out on this, guys. Alright, man. Peace out.